it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet garlic ribs. And these are the ingredients that you need. I got a rack of rib, slightly under 1 kilogram, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of minced ginger, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, pepper, salt, hoisin sauce, and water. First, we are going to chop the rib into individual pieces. So, chop 1 piece per bone. So, you just follow where the bone is to chop. My ribs are all cut now. So we're going to cook in medium heat. I'm going to use a pot and have to wait until it's hot. Okay, my pot is hot now, so I am going to put in the rib. In the meantime, I can turn on the heat a little higher. I'm trying to get the rib to golden brown, so just let it be cooking one side and then in another side. The rib has been changed color now, so I'm going to add in the garlic and ginger. And I have turned the heat to medium high now. I can smell the garlic and the ginger now. So now I am going to add in the other ingredient. Add in 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, less than half a teaspoon of salt, pinch of pepper. And then we're going to add water in. Enough water to cover the rib. I'm going to cover the pot and wait until it's boiled. Okay, my pot is boiling now, so I'm going to turn down the heat to low-medium heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, it's been simmer for 15 minutes, and let me check. I want to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom, so that's why I'm checking it. Nothing sticks to the bottom, so just cover it back for another 15 minutes. I'm cooking in medium heat. Okay, 15 minutes has gone by, and let me check right now. Oh, looks good. It's cooked, and I can see the bones are sticking out. If you want a little bit more thicker sauce, you can just cook it and let it evaporate a little bit more, maybe another 5 minutes for mine. So I just cook it like this and let the liquid evaporate. If you want more sauce, just turn off the stove and that's it. It's ready to eat. To me, it's good enough. So ready to serve. Ooh, tastes delicious. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.